Today, I'm taking a closer look at the Commodore Callback 8020 and answering the big question, does it still make sense to buy in 26? So first impressions, this thing leans heavily into nostalgia. If you're someone who grew up around classic Commodore-style devices, the Callback 8020 will immediately feel familiar in both design and layout. It's got that retro-inspired build, tactile controls, and a very old-school tech meets modern refresh kind of vibe. Now, in terms of performance, it's interesting. It's not trying to compete with high-end modern alternatives, and honestly, that's important to understand before buying. It handles everyday tasks and light creative use just fine, but you'll notice its limits if you push it too hard or expect flagship-level speed. Where it does shine is usability and charm. It's straightforward, it's reliable enough for casual use, and it definitely stands out compared to generic modern devices. But here's the real question, should you buy it this year? If you're after raw power, probably not. If you want something unique, nostalgic, and simple, then yes, it might actually be worth it. So overall, the Commodore Callback 8020 is less about specs and more about experience.